Time for some Friday birthdays here in the 4 states, and we're going to begin with Maisley Hernandez celebrating the big number 2. Happy birthday, Maisley.
All right, Weston Shanholzer turning 3 years old this year. Look at that little cutie there. He's in McCune, Kansas.
And also in McCune, Cash Riddle celebrating birthday number 6. Says, "We love you, Bob." Happy birthday, Cash.
All right, pretty eyes. And Kinsley and Keely Cook are celebrating their 6th birthday. Cute little foxes on their sweaters there. In Carthage, Missouri, that'll be Kinsley on the left and Keely on the right. Sweethearts there.
And up to the north in Golden City, we've got Hayden Markley celebrating birthday number 9 with love coming from Mom and Dad. Happy birthday, Hayden.
All right, Jordan Evans is Sweet 16 this year in Springdale, Arkansas. Happy birthday, Jordan.
And Landon Wheat in Parsons celebrating number 17 today with love from Mom, Dad, Ethan, Aiden, and the grandparents.
All right, and what a beautiful family you have there, Mr. Epler. Charlie Epler celebrating another year wiser in Columbus.
And Bob Maley in Fairview celebrating today as well. And it says, "Happy birthday from Mom." Happy birthday, Bob.
All right, up in Frontenac, John Mirando celebrating birthday number 58 this year.
And in Crestline, our neighbors to the south here, Vera Helwig celebrating birthday number 80. Looking great there, Vera. Happy birthday.
All right, and turning 82, also looking wonderful, Miss Joyce Woods in Baxter Springs.
And Rouge Horton celebrating number 4 in Springfield with love from Grandma Judy, Grandpa Jim, and all of your family. Oh, apologies here. It's actually birthday number 6. Birthday number 6. Happy birthday, Rouge.
All right, and Oliver Cavanis celebrating birthday number 3. A little belated birthday wish for you. Your birthday was actually yesterday. In Neosho with love from Mom, Gigi, Papa, Gage, Aunt Angie, Ariel Hunter, and great-grandma.
And another belated birthday going out to Dorothy Heiser in Pittsburgh, celebrating birthday number 76 yesterday. Happy birthday, Dorothy.
All right, and Gia Carnal. Is that a snakeskin? Ooh.
No, it's a fish.
Oh, that's a fish. Okay. Oh my goodness. It totally is.
It's Friday.
It totally is. Gia is turning 22 years old this year in Erie. I see it now.
It can be easy to miss sometimes. Last but certainly not least, we've got Jimmy Freeman celebrating a birthday in Columbus. And these were great birthdays. Love that list. And we want to continue to celebrate with you. Tanya, how do they do it?
All they have to do is email us their birthday with all the information. Don't forget the name and date to birthdays with an S at KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website checking out all the cool things it has to offer to you, we want to make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You'll get special deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMnewsnow.com, sign up for that birthday club today. All right, let's